Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. I'm showing you a simple strategy that gets people to spend more money on your Shopify store, otherwise known as increasing your average order value. And we're going to jump right into it. The whole idea is getting people to spend more during their sale, otherwise known as average order value or AOV. And this is a very simple strategy that can lead into some really nice dollar returns. The idea is that, again, ads are getting expensive, competition is increasing. Whenever we do get a customer, whenever we acquire a customer, we need to cash in on that customer. And obviously we're happy with any type of sale, but we'd be more happy if they add, let's say, 2 products into their order, or 3 products, or 4 products into their order. Obviously, we'd be making more money, even if it's just the same customer. So the idea is have the same amount of traffic, have the same amount of ad spend. We're not spending any more or anything like that. We just want to get our existing customers to spend more on their transactions. So how are we going to get them to add more product into their shopping cart? And there's really no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You need to use an app, and that app definitely needs to be easy to use and require no prior experience or technical skills. It needs to fit into that idea. With Shopify, all you really need to do is just install it and set up a few settings. And this app needs to work with all product types, all Shopify themes. And that's why I'm going to show you the Reconvert Upsell and Cross-Sell app. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend. Incredibly easy to set up, but also really powerful. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you step by step exactly how we set this up and exactly why you're going to want to use it. But the upsell and the cross-sell features here are going to do one powerful thing. They're going to increase average order value. They're going to entice customers to add more product into their cart as they're going through the buying process. So we already have these really warm or actually hot potential customers. They're in the process of buying, we're going to get them to buy more. They're in the process of browsing products, we're going to get them to browse and buy more. So that's why it's so powerful, and you can find it right over here in the App Store. You see the link directly below this video. Again, this is the Reconvert Upsell and Cross-Sell video. And take a look at the over 3,000 reviews over here. Just a huge amount of review after review after review. We can go through them over here. 5-star review after 5-star review, literally 3,000 plus 5-star reviews. We can go through them all day long, page after page after page. The bottom line is this app does exactly what I've been describing. It helps people or helps stores increase their average order value. Again, you're not going to have to spend any more money on ads or anything like that. You're just going to make more money per customer. And how are they going to do that? Well, it's going to set up a one-click upsell funnel, and we're going to show you over the shoulder as we build a little demo store here with the Reconvert app. But it's more than just a one-click upsell funnel. There's really nice thank you page funnels. So we can get them before the sale, we can get them after the sale. We have a whole checkout flow that is all about boosting average order value. And really, there's a lot of different things that we're going to see here. And this is a post-purchase upsell, just one of the different upsell funnels that are out there. And look at all the different detail here. You know, a typical Shopify checkout page really just has your kind of logo. It says thank you, and it's got the order info. Look at all this additional stuff that we've added, all about helping us make more money. We have our traditional product recommendation displays, getting customer feedback, getting more customer information, right? Coupon codes for next, social sharing. So whether it's direct add to cart, add additional purchases or products to their purchase, or getting them to be warmed up for future purchases, or helping with referrals and reviews, right? This app can do it all. And again, we're going to go over the shoulder. You can take a look more about this. The link is directly below the video. But let's go ahead and add this app into a demo store. All you need to do, press the Add App button. We're going to be sent back into our Shopify store, and we're going to have Reconvert Setup and ready to go. We just press Install App. That's all we need to do for setup. No code or no technical skills required. We now have a very powerful app ready to go. We're going to be sent into our dashboard here. We just need to set things up. So follow along with me over here. We're going to get started on the onboarding. I'll show you the pricing table over here, but we're going to be able to start up for free. And then you see, depending on the orders per month, will be your pricing. So this app is only going to be costing you money if it's making you money. So we come over here and approve the charge, and we'll be all set with Reconvert. Now, there's a lot of different things that we could set up here, a lot of different powerful campaigns that we could use to increase that average order value. I'm going to show you some of my favorites. Of course, post-purchase funnel definitely one of the best, and you can take a look at the video over here. But what we're going to do is come along and set up the post-purchase funnel. This is going to be where people get upsold directly after they check out. So let's follow along on the steps. We're going to go to settings, checkout, and post-purchase page. And we need to select the Reconvert upsell and cross-sell. This is an important distinction here to set this up again right over here. And you'll see the app added here because this is one that is predetermined and pre-set up by Shopify to be able to work inside of the checkout. So we'll come back over here, check status, want to make sure that we have that. Now we'll get started with the actual funnel. And this is kind of a little visual description of what's going on with the funnel and a little instruction as well. But basically what you're going to be doing is offering an upsell, a downsell, and a second upsell. And as you see over here, they have great support available 24/7. But really all about maximizing conversions, getting people to spend more. It's going to be a one-click upsell, which again is backed by Shopify. You saw that it was connected right inside of that Shopify. So we're going to have this set up here, and we could configure the automatic discount here to be 30% or 20%. And again, you see the numbers update here. Basically what's going to happen is customers can claim 10% off if they add one more of the same item into the cart. If they decline, we're going to basically give them a better offer. If they accept the offer, we're going to give them 20% off for another product. And big thing here, the Reconvert product recommendation algorithm, there is nothing better than that out on the App Store right now. They know exactly how to pair up the highest converting products with these paying customers over here in this funnel. So we're going to trust them to find those products. And there's a bunch more other type of promotions like product recommendations, customer reviews, some urgency and things like that. But let's get this one set up over here. And we're going to publish our Reconvert campaign. And just like that, it's active, right? It says Reconvert is now active on your store. Customers will now see your post-purchase funnel when they complete a checkout. So we're going to, and you see we start generating sales in the background. You got the whole Reconvert team ready to go. But we're going to be in our dashboard over here, and I'm going to show you the kind of exact setup, literally the flow, step by step for our post-purchase funnel. Let me show you the thank you page editor as well. We come over here, we see the default thank you page, and we have a listing over here of other ones that we might create later as templates. But we're going to come and customize the conversion monster template. Very easy to customize. You'll see that we have an editor just like we get with Shopify. And we're seeing everything. We have the left area, right area, and general settings. I'll show you the general settings first. We come over, and of course we have our logo being pulled in from our store, but if you wanted to create some type of specific color scheme and logo, you have full control over that inside of this area. We have the order tracking section, and it's really easy. We could just unclick and re-click, basically adding and removing the different sections inside of our store. You see it right there. And again, we have different options for our colors. They're going to pull in the colors automatically from our color scheme. We could put something like track your order here and save. This is a real-time editor. So any change that we make, whether it's inside of the settings or inside of the left area over here, product recommendations, right? We have this section over here where we have full control over everything, even down to the actual text and the button color. Buy now, get it now, right? Literally live. Right over here, and we have full control over everything. So we could literally just keep clicking through and have all of our settings configured just like you would configure your Shopify theme. So it's the same exact type of editor. Over here, we have the discount section over here where we can start offering discounts on top of other sections. And it's really, really powerful because this is just one of the many sections that we could add. So we can come over here and add something like the product recommendations, product upsell, the reorder, right? This is very powerful if you have something that people can potentially want to order every month. Maybe you're selling dog items, cat items, gym supplements, things like that. You could even put in custom HTML. If you want to go ahead and just add in your own text, you could add a call to action over here as well. Lots of different available one-click add-ons into this. All you need to do is just press save, and this will of course save your theme without ever looking at any code. This is your dashboard where you're going to see some analytics. And you can change the date range over here. Of course, we just installed this in our store, so we don't have any data over here, but we're going to be able to see everything in here from conversions, impressions, all of that great stuff. For example, the conversion funnel that we had just created. But what I want to show you is a little bit more in terms of the funnel editor, because this is a really cool way to get very advanced, but it's a nice visual editor to allow you to do everything. And this is just a visual way of describing what I already set up previously in this post-purchase funnel. So we have someone that purchased. We want them to spend more, right? We want to increase our average order value or customer lifetime value. Well, here's the state that they're in, order completed, and we're going to now trigger an upsell. Okay, and you see the upsell has different chains here. And you have some options. Again, they're going to be using the algorithm to configure the kind of best product out there. But you can make edits over here in terms of what is the most expensive product they purchased, if it was already a multiple order, right? You can take a look at all of these different settings over here. But I do highly recommend you run with how they are set up here so you can start getting some data and seeing what works. Coming through here, you could take a look at every single step in the funnel. For example, I'll show you a little preview over here in the step, right? This is literally what they're going to see. We thought you might also like this. Here's your 20% order. One-click checkout. There's no additional adding in of your credit card information or anything like that. So we see the funnel kind of here, okay? They take the first offer, they accept it, go to the second upsell, then they get to the thank you page. If they decline it, they'll see the first downsell. Here's going to be that 20% discount. Over here is only going to be 10%. Then they get to the thank you. If they accept that, then they'll be able to see another product over here, the conversion monster funnel again. So we're going to constantly be giving them products to showcase, and we can, like I said, fully edit this funnel, edit it with additional steps, delete steps. You have full control, but very easy to get started with. As you saw, we have our template ready to go. All we had to do was just activate it. So feel free to make edits, but get started ASAP with your post-purchase funnel. It's going to work right out of the box. And we're really just scratching the surface with what we can do here. I'm going to come over to funnels. You'll see our post-purchase funnel that we already created. But we can come down over here. Again, you see the full dashboard. But we come over here, create a new funnel. And lots of different ways for us to basically build a funnel as we want inside of the editor. We do everything. We give the funnel a name. We come over here, we start giving the different triggers, and we see all these different things. For example, order details, customer information. We have all of these options, product purchase, right? We can kind of go down and have some very, very, very specific actions for our thank you page or our post-purchase upsell, right? And we have upsells here. We have create offers, we create our new offer, literally be able to see every single option that we have. And this is literally right in front. You could even add things like urgency. So we could add offer expires in. I really like doing this. We could add something like a 1 hour or a 5-minute timer. And we see that literally update right over here. You see the timer over here, positioning, colors, look and feel, text. You have all of the options. Here's the buttons, right? Pay now. How about we change it? Change it to anything you want. No code or anything like that. This is an incredibly powerful app. It's by far the #1 upsell and cross-sell app out there. So make sure you get this in there. I mean, it's very, very straightforward. You can create as many different funnels as you want, name them whatever you want, set them to have different triggers, different timing, different urgency, a huge amount of options here. I'll show you some thank you page options as well. This is pretty cool. In terms of having customer birthday information, right? Again, we just installed this in here, but people can run through the birthday funnel. You'll get their information, be able to have a, let's say, a birthday gift or a birthday coupon, right? Easy way to re-engage with your customers. So a lot of things you could do here. A lot of things. You're going to be spending most of your time inside of the thank you page funnel, taking a look and optimizing, adding those different sections, seeing how that will affect your value per order inside of your dashboard. But biggest thing to stress here, no technical skill required. You could jump in right now, activate that funnel, and get some additional sales. All right, so I'm going to show you this all in action now. We're going to take this tank top, add it to cart, and we're going to run through the Shopify checkout process. We'll go ahead and purchase this tank top. I'm going to show you how we're going to monetize that thank you page. So coming down here, pay now, and you're going to see that thank you page, and there it is. Here's that exact page that we literally set up and we had full control over just a few minutes ago in the editor, right? We had all these different sections. We were literally able to customize. We changed the text, get it now. We changed all the different colors to match our scheme. We had the ability to do a custom logo right on this page. You saw this exact page in the editor. Now it's here live, and look at all the different opportunities we have to make money off of the thank you page, a page that really was just not being monetized just a few minutes ago before I installed this. So that is Reconvert. Again, I highly recommend it. It's free for beginners. It also integrates with other apps and services that you're probably already using, like Looks, Stamped, Judge Me, Omnisend, SMS Bump, Klaviyo, and more. You can see more about the pricing on their site over here, a little sliding scale. depending on the number of orders per month. But this is an app that's trusted by over 30,000 stores, gets an average of 4,000% ROI. Take a look again through those reviews, so many 5-star reviews over there. But you're going to be able to get a 45-day trial when you use my link. Again, it's directly below this video, exclusive to my channel. And for all you guys, appreciate all of you watching this video. Hope you take advantage of this great deal, 45-day free trial extended from the App Store for Reconvert. But you're going to see just why it gets so many 5-star reviews. You're simply, every time you make a sale, you're going to have a really great opportunity to increase the average order value without spending an extra penny. So Reconvert, I know it's going to help you make some money, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.